In today's video, we're moving into college. Heading to my room, and I'm gonna see it for the first time.
Oh, wow!
Watch me settle into my new home by decorating my apartment and organizing all my essentials. We are in my new apartment. Hey y'all, good morning. It is Wednesday today and I am headed to USC right now for move-in day. I'm so excited but also very overwhelmed. If you saw my last video where I was packing for college, you would know that I have a lot of stuff. There's the truck where we loaded all of our stuff. I also have a few things back here. Not a few, a lot, okay? My trunk is full. We're moving and I did not pack light. I'm excited but I'm also nervous because I don't even know what my room looks like. You guys are gonna see it for the first time along with me. I'm wearing an oversized shirt and some biker shorts because I know that this move-in is gonna get a little dirty. Have my hair up in a bun, out of my face. See you guys later. We have arrived at my new apartment. We were met with movers who were there to help us through the process, which I honestly wasn't expecting. I thought we had to move everything independently, but the movers took everything up to my unit. That immediately relieved so much stress because like you saw, I had a ton of stuff. Now it's time to go find my unit. Okay, we just parked and we're trying to figure out how to get inside of the actual building. Roof access. We had no idea where we were going. Where are we?
Do you know where the elevator is?
Thankfully, we found someone who could help us. Thank you so much for your help. Yeah, he directed us to the elevator. Thank you. Okay, perfect.
You excited?
Yes, I am. Soon we were up and on our way to my new apartment. Heading to my room, and I'm gonna see it for the first time. I'm nervous, but I think it'll be fine. I'm excited, but I'm nervous. Like, this is gonna be my first time. Thank you. Okay, alright, look, we're here. Hello.
Oh, wow! Oh, wow!
Right? We are in my new apartment. How? As you can tell, I loved it. I walked over to see my room for the first time. Okay, so everything is now in here. Jeez. But I could barely see it because it was filled with all my stuff. It's time to get to work, but first, here's a little apartment tour. Hey, AD. No, I'm just kidding. This is a college apartment. One day, I'll have my Architectural Digest house tour, but today, it's a college apartment tour. Come on in. So first, we're met with the hallway. This is a bathroom. Look at this glass. Very modern looking shower. Also a toilet, because that's, you know, necessary for being a human. Over here, what is in here? Another bathroom? Okay, I'm claiming this one. I'm claiming this bathroom actually, because there's more counter space. Makayla's bathroom. First come, first serve. This way, over here, is my room, which we're setting up, so you don't need to worry about that yet.
Whoa, it's tipped down, that's what I was trying to think.
This is one of my roommate's rooms right here, but it's not my room. You'll see my room soon, stay tuned. Here's another bathroom that I think one of my roommates has already claimed, so we're gonna move past that. Over here is the, I don't know, how do you say like big moment in French? I don't know. What is it? The pièce de résistance? I don't know, some French saying, okay? This is the main living space where I'll be with all my roommates. First over here, we have the kitchen, which is gorgeous. I feel like my fam in her like New York City apartment, remember how she had her kitchen in this huge glass window? Over here, we have a microwave, which I didn't have last year. I had to bring my own microwave. We also have a stovetop. It looks like it's electric, which not my favorite, but I'll work with it. A full-size fridge, stainless steel. Love that, not a white fridge, which is what I had last year. We're really getting classy, very modern here. Very demure, just like this in-unit washer and dryer. Hello? I don't have to go down to the basement just to wash my clothes with every other person in the building. Over here, we have like a bar top, some bar stools right here for dinners, stuff like that. And we also have a fully furnished living room. Look at how gorgeous. It comes with a TV. We gotta bring the Xbox. More exposures over here, looking over the city and USC. So pretty. That is the apartment tour. Now it's time to get to work on my room. This is what the layout looks like. My dad was constructing the mini fridge and some furniture while my mom and I cleared out the room to fit the furniture and put down a rug. We just put together this like mini fridge station for my mini fridge, which is gonna be really nice because I want to have my own refrigeration storage for snacks and things separate from the communal fridges. But I was immediately having second thoughts on all the stuff I bought. Dad, okay, can I get your thoughts, Dad? You think that, because I do have the top shelf thing. I bought a top shelf for this mini fridge that I can't return, and I was worried it'd just be too big and too much.
Yeah, I don't think I'd put that on there.
Yeah, you think
it needs to be secured into the wall and all that.
Even though I wanted the fridge by my bed, something didn't feel right. But do you think it looks fine?
Yeah, I think it looks fine.
Does it look good?
Yeah.
But I still wasn't sure, and my mom could sense it too.
Why didn't you use this wall for it?
That's what I thought about, but no. They suggested we swap the fridge and the desk, but I did not want the desk next to my bed.
Because I'm going to block my closet space.
I was getting overwhelmed because I had a lot of stuff, not a lot of space, and also a lot of opinions.
You can do that. You see what I'm saying? Because you can reach through.
And you can get your
You won't be able to put a container in there, but you can put things in by hand.
I just want a rug. We need to do that before we stick a fridge down, because how are we going to lift this bed?
Even though I wanted the mini fridge next to my bed, it just wasn't working. We decided to just focus on putting the rug down in the room, but we couldn't put it down because the bed didn't move.
No, we can't lift it. You can't get a rug.
We ran into a lot of roadblocks. We went back to testing out the mini fridge and actually found it fit perfectly next to the desk by the window. My parents were definitely right about the placement, and I'm glad they convinced me that it would look better over there. Because the rug didn't fit in my room, we decided to put it in the living room. And I honestly think it looks really great in there. Definitely better than just the wood floor. Next, I put together my bedding. First, starting with my mattress topper. I loved my mattress topper that I had all of college, but had to throw it away because I have a bigger bed now. It's linked in my Amazon storefront. Then I put on all of my sheets.
Wow. Wow, that looks great.
All of my bedding is from West Elm this year. My mom helped me put on the pillowcases, and she was in love with all of my bedding.
I like how they did the pillowcases with the ruffling. Good quality.
I think she wanted to take some of it for her own.
I want this.
Things were starting to turn around. You'll see later in the video that the room really comes together. Alright guys, we're gonna go grab some food and take a break from moving because this has kind of been a lot. So we're gonna go probably get some kava at the village, and I'll see you back here probably tonight. Later that night, I went ahead and constructed some more furniture on my own. I have this shelf set from West Elm, and I decided to use it in the bathroom for toiletries, and I honestly think it's really cute. I put some period care in there, paper towels, and some other essentials. After the stress of moving, it was really relaxing, putting everything together, organizing, while listening to some music. I was also there by myself because I had an earlier move-in time than my other roommates. Lastly, I put in some drawer organizers from Amazon. They're also linked in my storefront if you want some too. Hello vlog, it is day 2 of moving, and I just got back from HomeGoods with some furniture pieces. I'm gonna try and just organize my room a little bit. It's still very messy, as you can see. I did go by West Elm and grab another circle pillow to kind of go with these. When I went to HomeGoods, I picked up these shelves. They're stackable, and I can put them in here to store all my makeup because this is the only makeup storage that I have. There's no other drawers, so I picked those up. My favorite part of moving is just getting to like decorate and put on my favorite podcast or some music and just relax and like play around with the layout of the room. I love interior design. I want to drill holes in the wall so bad, but I can't. I set up these acrylic drawers and used some adhesive stickers to keep them from sliding around. I also brought my hanging disco plant from sophomore year and put that in the windowsill. Okay, I got this mirror. It's like this wood texture. I'm gonna put it over here. I know this area is crazy right now, but I feel like it would be good in this section. Putting up this mirror and setting up this corner of my room is when I really started to fall in love with my new space. Because I was worried about my decorative choices for this year because it's so different than my sophomore year dorm. It's a lot more mature and grounded, and I wasn't sure if I would like that. But after putting together this little corner with my jewelry, sunglasses, and perfumes, I don't know, it made me feel like I'm really growing up and I have a space that reflects my maturity in a way. Even though we have a lot more to decorate, I will be posting a final room tour video to show you where I got every single thing. Subscribe so you don't miss out on it. It is a new day and I'm in some pajamas. Look at how cute these are. They're from Print Fresh. Y'all, I have a few sets like this and I'm actually obsessed. It is time to decorate the walls of my apartment. I also bought and brought some more stuff. This side of my room is just treacherous because I've just been buying a whole bunch of things. Look at this new addition. I have a side table now. I also got this rug, which I love. It's very natural and I feel like it goes with the vibe. Y'all, it has been a long day. I've been going back and forth from my house, also like going shopping, and like this is such a stressful month for me and it shows on my skin. I'm like breaking out everywhere. Let's just finish the move-in so I can focus on other things. I'm just gonna chill, play some YouTube videos, eat my lunch, and decorate the walls. That sounds like a relaxing Sunday. So that's what's gonna happen. I found this like wire grid in my closet back at home. That's kind of cute. And it actually looked a lot cuter than I thought. This looks good. I hung it up with small command hooks so I didn't have to drill into the wall. It took quite a few of them to hold it up, but it's secured. I thought it could be cute to hang my purses, keys, glasses, just different knickknacks on the grid. And I love, love, love it so much. I went the extra mile and strung fairy lights around the grid so it lights up at night. I'm so obsessed. This room is really coming together. Wait till you see the other wall decorations. I found this cloud light on Amazon. You already know it's linked in my storefront. Every dorm I've had, I've always put a neon sign above my bed, so that's what we're doing. And I have some different posters to go around it. They're honestly aesthetic over sayings, because I'll admit these are a little bit cheesy, but they fit the vibe. Then I set up my desk area for my technology, but also for a little bit of glam. My beauty station is just as important as my workstation. This is so cute. Okay, so I decided to get rid of the plant that was over here. I think it just took up too much space and I don't want it to look cluttered. I have some makeup products displayed in here. I just went to Sephora and got some new products too. The best part of being a woman, being a girl, is sitting down and getting to do your hair, makeup, little get ready with me while watching YouTube. Like commentary videos or listening to a podcast. So I have the screen right here. I can watch the Love Island reunion right here while I get ready. Whatever you heard about me, times it by a million, and if it's bad, make it worse. Is Rob a good kisser? Yes. I do need to figure out what to do with all these cords down here. If anybody has any cord organization tips, let me know in the comments. It's time to stock the mini fridge. I got so much stuff. Different protein shakes, kombucha, poppy, energy drinks, water. I have this Vasani mini fridge. It opens this way, which is kind of inconvenient because I sit here and so I'd probably want to open the other way. I actually end up fixing the fridge later in the video. It's brand new. We're gonna unwrap this. There's some tape on it. Let's do an ASMR mini fridge unwrapping and stock session. First round of stuff is out. Hello y'all, it's a new day. I also have a different camera. As you can tell, the angle is a lot wider. What am I doing today? Oh yeah, I need organized clothes, okay? Because I thought I was gonna get to that yesterday and I didn't. Oh, also, I did something. Let me show you. Look at this. Remember how I was organizing this fridge yesterday and the doors open this way, right? So if I'm sitting here and I want to get something to drink, well, the doors open this way and so it's like, oh, I gotta go on this side. And then, you know, it's like, I only can stand right here because this is blocking like the walkway. It was a mess. Look at this. Oh yeah, your girl got the drill and she went to work, fixed it. So now if I want to grab something, I can open it that way. I also got a new pillow. I like this green because it goes with more of the color palette. I am going to organize my clothes because I thought I was gonna get to it yesterday and I didn't. This is what we're oh god. This is what we're working with. If you remember, I put these crates in that I got on Amazon. So I'm gonna put like my socks, sports bras, shorts, bras, and all of that in these drawers. I also have to deal with these shelves, okay? Because this is really the only like closet space I'm gonna have. There's like, it's just kind of a mess. Once I get all of this organized, it'll be a little bit easier to move around. So the main mission, basically organize everything, figure out what I need, what I can take home, and then I won't have like random stuff just everywhere in the walkway. I'm gonna organize my stuff while watching the Love Island reunion. It's out. I've been waiting so long for this reunion. I'm going to watch this. Look. This season of Love Island is the only season I've ever watched, only because I had FOMO, like as I was scrolling on TikTok, because everybody's talking about the season. A lot of it was boring. I skipped through a lot of it, but I just went to the parts that people were talking about on TikTok. I am invested in the relationships. I just think it's fun because I don't really have a show that I'm really watching right now, so this has been my show. If you watched the season of Love Island, comment down below who your favorite contestant was. With the Love Island reunion playing in my headphones, I got started on organizing all of my clothes. First, I put away all of my gym and workout clothes. I really do like these bins. I think they're very helpful. I also got all my hoodies, jackets, and sweatshirts and hung them up in the closet. And put my folded pants and t-shirts on the shelves as well. Each shelf is designated for specific things. I wanted to put a hanger for all of my purses just so I could see them instead of laying them flat. But that is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any more College Diaries episodes, and comment Love Island if you made it till the end of this video. And I'll see you on the first day of school. Bye!